So that is our main goal, to finish the insurgency problem alongside with our support to law enforcement operations. No? I'm looking forward working with you, both the internal and external stakeholders, para po magkaroon po ng katahimikan sa ating bayan.
Mao na ang pamahayag ni Colonel Joey Escanillas human siya mabutang isip bag-ong commander sa 302nd Infantry Brigade sa Philippine Army dinhi sa Negros Oriental. Iyang hulipan si Brigadier General Leonardo Peña nagibalhin na sa 3rd Infantry Division sa Philippine Army sa Capiz kung diin siya na ang gihimong Assistant Division Commander. Gipanguluhan ni Major General Marion Sison ang change of command ceremony sa Camp Leon Quila, Tanhay City kaniadtong ika-24 sa Abril.
To all the achiever troopers, I urge you to extend your support to your new commander. Let us sustain our gains.
Gipasidunggan sab ni Peña ang mga sundalo sa probinsya na nitabang sa pagsugpo sa communist terrorist groups ilawom sa iyang liderato.
Thank you for your sterling service and exemplary performance during my term, which led to the myriad of remarkable accomplishments. And most importantly, the dismantling of 2 guerrilla fronts in our area of operations, the Southeast Front and the weakening of the Southwest Front, known as the mother of all fronts in Negros Island.
Alang sa maayong balita sa Negros Oriental, ako si Anthony Lamota.